Here I have SOYES S10 Mini, and today I'm going to show you how to enable the Not Disturb mode on this device. So, to enable the Not Disturb mode, you can just go to the upper bar here, then go to the audio profiles and select silent here. And this works the same way as the Not Disturb mode. You can also access some of its settings by holding your finger on it. Then you go to the Not Disturb. And here you can, for example, manage priority only allows. For example, you can manage which notifications, sounds you will get with the Not Disturb mode on. For example, you can add exceptions here for messages from anyone, from contacts only, from starred contacts only, or for nobody. The same goes for calls. And there's also an option repeat callers. If the same person calls a second time within a 15-minute period, allow it. And you can also add automatic rules, which is just a schedule for the Not Disturb mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.